Here's the stock crankshaft. What am I doing? Cut. Take two. Get out of there. You could get this to work, grind it down, grind all this, get a deck extension, and get a custom piston. What the custom piston would do is it sets the ring up higher, but the piston is longer. But then you'd have to get a cylinder sleeve as well. But this will work. This will set your 212cc engine. Don't look at that. This will set your 2cc engine. I'll have to look real quick. We're back. Predator 212cc bore is 2.756. Crankshaft link 2.165. It actually comes out to nearly 13 cc's for most of y'all that don't know. Alright, what I did was add 1 inch. Okay. 3.165. What's that come out to? 18.88. Alright. Copy. And paste to our cubic inch to cc calculator. And what do we get? 309.38 cc's. I'm not done yet, folks. I'm not done yet. The piston's getting bigger. And I'm making my own connecting rod. So, for the future video, you got that to come look forward to. See you later.